Are all the indicator lights on your machine flashing? Don't worry, this video will walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. First, let's try a quick reset. If all the lights are still flashing, the issue may be caused by one of the following. Second, troubleshooting all indicator lights flashing. Cause 1, clogged stainless steel filter in the raw water tank. Solution, remove and thoroughly clean the stainless steel filter. Cause 2, clogged filter cartridges. Solution, replace all filters. Cause 3, the system is blocked by scale buildup. Solution, run a descaling cycle. Let's walk through the process step by step. You have two options for the descaling solution. Option A, citric acid solution. Option B, white vinegar solution. Now, install the raw water tank filled with the descaling solution back onto the main unit. The machine will automatically flush for about 30 seconds, begin filtering water, and stop automatically once the purified water pitcher is full. Next, lightly tap the flushing button and wait for the machine to automatically flush for 2 minutes. You will need to repeat this process 2 to 3 times. Once that's done, unplug the machine and let it sit for 30 to 60 minutes. This allows the solution to break down internal scale buildup more effectively. After waiting, empty and clean the raw water tank, refill it with fresh tap water, and reinstall it. Then empty and clean the purified water pitcher. After descaling, a complete system flush is required before drinking the water. Please refer to our system flushing tutorial video for detailed instructions.